ABC Speaking Academy. Today let's have a daily. Use English sentences using classroom rules. Are you ready? Let's begin. I always raise my hands to speak. I always raise my hands to speak. I listen when the teacher is talking. I listen when the teacher is talking. I follow directions the first time. I follow directions the first time. I use kind words with my classmates. I use kind words with my classmates. I keep my hand and feet to myself. I keep my hand and feet to myself. I wait for my turn. I wait for my turn. I respect my teachers and friends.
I respect my teachers and friends.
I bring all my materials to class.
I bring all my materials to class.
I keep my desk clean.
I keep my desk clean.
I take care of school property.
I take care of school property.
I walk quietly in the hallway.
I walk quietly in the hallway.
I stay in my seat during lessons.
I stay in my seat during lessons.
I help my classmates when needed.
I help my classmates when needed.
I use my inside voice in class.
I use my inside voice in class.
I always do my best.
I always do my best.
I ask before leaving the room.
I asked before leaving the room.
I follow the classroom schedule.
I follow the classroom schedule.
I use polite words like please and thank you.
I use polite words like please and thank you.
I clean up after myself.
I clean up after myself.
I don't interrupt others.
I don't interrupt others.
I listen carefully to instructions.
I listen carefully to instructions.
I don't shout or scream in class.
I don't shout or scream in class.
I respect everyone's space.
I respect everyone's space.
I line up quietly.
I line up quietly.
I raised my hand to ask a question.
I raised my hand to ask a question.
I share classroom materials.
I share classroom materials.
I tell the truth.
I tell the truth.
I admit when I make mistake.
I admit when I make a mistake.
I try new things even they're hard.
I try new things even if they're tried.
I don't run inside the classroom.
I don't run inside the classroom.
I ask for help when I need it.
I ask for help when I need it.
I follow safety rules.
I follow safety rules.
I treat others the way I want to be treated.
I treat others the way I want to be treated.
I finish my test on time.
I finish my test on time.
I speak kindly to others.
I speak kindly to others.
I keep my voice low during quiet time.
I keep my voice low during quiet time.
I follow playground rules.
I follow playground rules.
I treat others the way I want to be treated.
I treat others the way I want to be treated.
I finished my test on time.
I finished my test on time.
I speak kindly to others.
I speak kindly to others.
I keep my voice low during quiet time.
I keep my voice low during quiet time.
I do not touch things without permission.
I do not touch things without permission.
I say sorry when I make a mistake.
I say sorry when I make a mistake.
I listen to group members during group work.
I listen to group members during group work.
I take turns in games and activities.
I take turns in games and activities.
I respect others people's ideas.
I respect other people's ideas.
I keep my hands off the walls.
I keep my hands off the walls.
I help keep the classroom neat and tidy.
I help keep the classroom neat and tidy.
I raise my hand before leaving my seat.
I raise my hand before leaving my seat.
I try to solve problems calmly.
I try to solve problems calmly.
I show good manners every day.
I show good manners every day.
I smile and greet others kindly.
I smile and greet others kindly.
I follow the teacher's instructions.
I follow the teacher's instructions.
I am a respectful and responsible student.
I am a respectful and responsible student.